10 years ago, I met a client, was referred by an existing client, and her first question at the first meeting that we had was, "Can I retire tomorrow?" And I was sort of taken aback because she was in her 40s, she was single, and I was wondering, why are you asking me this question? She says, no, you just tell me whether I have enough to retire today. And we did some working, we understood her needs, goals, etc. And she told her that, I think you'll be ready to retire only after the next 4 years. She says, oh, sure. And I said, yes, but I still want to understand what is it that you're going to do in retirement. She was a corporate executive, and she decided, and at that stage told me that her interest was photography. So that's what she wanted to pursue, and that's why she wanted to know whether she had enough money to retire. Going forward and fast forwarding that case, she did manage to retire from her job at that time, in that 3 to 4 year period. She pursued photography, realized that that was not something that she wanted to do full time, that she had some capabilities in the field that she was in consulting. So created a consulting company, started working for that company, spent maybe 5-6 years, did I thought pretty well with that consulting business, and last year she rejoined the corporate rat race because she felt that she got an offer which she couldn't refuse. So I think very often people think that I don't have the time to pursue my passions, my dreams, so I need to retire. Only if I retire, then I'm going to be able to pursue my bucket list. And some people say, I really want to just sit on the beach, smoke my cigar, look at the yachts going by, and just chill over there. And again, there is studies which say that, people complete their bucket lists in 18 to 24 months. So the question to ask you is, if you want to retire today, what are you going to do 2 years hence after you finish your bucket list? And if you have an answer to that question, retire today. If not, get a financial advisor.